Hi, University of South Wales. My name's David Pye, and I'm the president of the University of South Wales Student Union. As you can tell from my accent, I'm from Canada, and that means I'm an international student, which leads us to today's topic, which is international students and social isolation. This has been my second time studying abroad. My first was in 2017 at the Nagoya University of Foreign Studies in Japan, and there I truly learned what it meant to be out of my comfort zone, trying to live and operate in a country so culturally different from mine. I first arrived there very eager, but once culture shock set in, the shine on everything wore off, and I saw myself fall into the downward cycle. I did not know enough Japanese to get around or have meaningful conversations, and this meant that my day-to-day life was very mentally taxing. I stopped attending classes, I did not have healthy eating habits, and my bedtime was 7 in the morning with my alarm being set for 5 p.m. in the evening, and overall, my well-being was negatively impacted, and I did not have a proper support network until I returned back to Canada. I first arrived to the University of South Wales nearly 2 years ago in September 2020 to study my top-up in business management, and this time studying abroad has been much easier, with Canada and the UK sharing a lot of similarities, and the fact that we both speak English helps just a smidge. Additionally, I was living in halls over the pandemic, which is probably where you want to be as a student new to USW, as you are living amongst the student body, the community. Studying abroad can be very exciting and fun, as we are away from home in another country, but on the flip side, also very difficult. Upon reflecting on my experience in Japan, I did not understand what I was going through until I returned to Canada and did not reach out to the proper support mechanisms to get myself back out of it. Coming to the University of South Wales, I was prepared to face these challenges head on, and now I'm sharing my experiences so that you may be as successful as possible while you are on your study abroad. Also, do not be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes you are not able to do it alone, and there is an abundance of resources here at USW. All you have to do is reach out. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, don't be afraid to speak up.